everyone, I'm Dr. Nisha and Jacob from Career Guidance and Adolescent Counseling Cell, Alapura. Let me begin with a simple image. Imagine a river flowing through the city. Instead of clean water, it carries plastic, sewage, chemicals, and waste. Now imagine nature itself slowly healing this damage. This is what exactly today's topic is all about. We are discussing an article from the Hindu titled, Why Does India Needs Bioremediation? This article explains how nature, science and technology can work together to clean India's polluted land and water, and why this method is becoming essential for our future. Bioremediation is a natural and scientific process. It uses microorganisms like bacteria and fungi and plants and algae. These living organisms, they break down harmful pollutants into less toxic and harmless substances. Instead of digging out polluted soil or using harsh chemicals, bioremediation allows nature to repair itself. Pollutants like oil spills, heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial waste are either absorbed, transformed, or neutralized. In simple words, bioremediation means letting or allowing living organisms to clean pollution. The article explains that bioremediation works in two different types. First is in situ bioremediation. This happens at the polluted site itself. Microbes are encouraged to grow and clean the contamination without removing soil or water. Second is ex situ bioremediation. Here, the contaminated soil or water is removed and treated elsewhere in a controlled environment. Both methods aim to reduce toxicity, restore ecosystem, and prevent further environmental damage. Earlier, bioremediation depended mainly on naturally occurring microbes. But today, modern bioremediation uses biotechnology. Scientists now identify specific microbes, enhance their efficiency, and genetically modify organisms for targeted cleanup. This allows better treatment of oil spills, plastic residues, and heavy metal contamination. Modern bioremediation is faster, more precise, and more effective than before. India is facing a serious pollution crisis. The article points out that rivers being polluted by sewage and industrial waste. Landfills were overflowing near cities. Soil contamination affecting agriculture, and groundwater is polluted by chemicals. Rapid industrialization and urbanization have put huge pressure on ecosystems. Traditional cleanup methods are expensive, slow, and environmentally damaging. Bioremediation offers a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative. India has made a beginning, but the progress is still limited. Bioremediation efforts are mainly seen in oil spill management, industrial waste, and pilot projects in polluted rivers. Government departments like the Department of Biotechnology, DBT, are supporting the research. However, the article highlights that adoption is uneven, large-scale implementation is lacking, and many polluted sites remain untreated. Countries like the United States and China have made bioremediation a priority. They use it to clean oil spills, restore contaminated land, and manage industrial waste. These countries invest heavily on research, technology, and monitoring systems. India has to learn from these global models and adapt them to local conditions. The article also discusses important risks involved. The challenges included incomplete cleanup if conditions are not ideal, and need for careful monitoring. Risk of introducing non-native organisms, and lack of skilled persons. Public awareness and transparency are essential to ensure a safe and responsible use. According to the article, India must take several steps: develop national standards and guidelines, strengthen research and innovation, improve coordination between government, scientists, and industries, train skilled professionals, and increase public engagement and awareness. Institutions like IITs, universities, and research labs must play a big role. To conclude, bioremediation is not just a technology, it's a philosophy. It's a philosophy of healing. It teaches us that the nature is not our enemy. Science can work with the environment, and sustainable solutions are definitely possible. For students, this topic shows how biology, environment, and policy connect. For us, it offers hope for clean water, healthy soil, and safer cities. As explained in the Hindu, India's environmental future depends on how wisely we use nature's own tools. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. Nisha and Jacob from Career Guidance and Arts and Counseling Cell, Alapura. Let's learn, question, and protect our environment responsibly and scientifically. Thank you.